So you will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
A couple of days ago, I was going to a market for buying some books for my study. Someone gave me a newspaper in which I read about a new emerging variant, Omicron, in which I read about its efficacy, lethalness, and how to people should be treated on it. So the very next morning, I went to my university, Islamia College, Peshawar, and I met with my supervisor and other colleagues. We discussed about this new variant, Omicron. We discuss all other things that we can easily detect it, how we can detect it, how should be people should be protected from it, and how.
Okay, thank you. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Overall good, but just try to come out of this fear. Try
Yes.
to be more confident when you speak and speak loudly.
Yes, sir.
Because your volume is not as loud as it should be. And then fluency is your weak area. As you speak, you take pauses, you take breaks. So try to speak sequentially. Like there should be sequential speaking.
Yes,
in a
sir.
sequence. You can go on with one sentence, and as you make sentences, use connecting words also.
Yes, sir.
Right? And overall good, language is fine, but just fluency and energy.
Yes,
Right, these two things should be added, then it will be better, and you need more practice.
Yes.
So looking at your overall performance, for now I'll give you 6 band, but you can improve it.
Yes.
Right.